This is a great time to be in the repair business, isn't it? Car dealerships have limited inventory and limited deals, and more people are opting to repair their existing vehicle instead of buying or leasing a new one, meaning you're busier than ever. How can you make hay while the sun is shining? Transcend. Transcend is the industry's leading online parts marketplace. Enter vehicle information and browse a list of parts that fit only that car. No guesswork, no outdated information from a catalog. You can filter by brand, price, and availability, and then see how quickly the parts can be delivered to your shop. Oftentimes, same day or next day. Transcend is available 24/7, meaning you can place your day's parts order in the evening or whenever you prefer. If you have questions, expert technical support is available via live chat, or you can call us directly. Transcend was designed by industry experts for shops like yours. It's easy to use and you will save serious time and money. So take advantage of this booming repair business with Transcend. Now you can even earn points with every purchase. That's right. When you buy parts on Transcend, you can earn points towards a variety of rewards, including travel, a new laptop, TV, much more. Get started today by visiting transcendrewards.com.